Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn WABCO Toolbox, the official software for WABCO braking systems. If trailers roll through your shop, this tool belongs on your laptop. Toolbox is modular. Pick the module matching your ECU family, trailer ABS, tractor ABS, or air management. Choosing right loads the correct functions for that exact system. Connect through the trailer plug or diagnostic port and read the faults. Each code points to a specific component with full detail. History counters show whether a fault is new or chronic. Watch wheel speed sensors live while spinning each wheel. Low output means a worn sensor or wide air gap. Toolbox shows the signal quality, so marginal sensors cannot hide. Activate the modulator valves one by one from the software. You hear and feel each one respond. This confirms the electrical side in minutes, before you replace any hardware. In parameters, configure the ECU for the actual vehicle, tire size, sensor count, and features. Save and print the setup for your records. Correct configuration prevents phantom faults. After major work, run the end-of-line test. It verifies the full system, sensors, valves, and wiring in one procedure. When it passes, the trailer leaves your shop with proof. That is WABCO Toolbox from faults to final test. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.